Hello, this is my hot pepper farm. It is almost 4 months na ni. 3 and a half. 3 months and 2 weeks. It's already blooming. Oh. There are many fruits. Look at this. There are many fruits. But not yet ripe. Oh. Sa Bisaya pa wa pa mahinog. So mo ni ang kinabuhi sa mga farmers maghuwat ni kang mahinog kay di man ni mahalin og dili mahinog. Amo ning gibubuan karon because very hot. The sun is very hot. That's why we are pitching water to the roots so that the sili will bloom. Okay sili, blooming mo ha. Kay para maka-income taon ning retiree. Wa na sweldo, wa pa moabot ang pensyon. Mga retiree na muubo taon diri. Okay. Naasay problem kining mukulot kini mo ni kulot-kulot gamay That is the problem of silly farm. The curly lip nikulot ang dahon. I don't know what is happening. Maybe need expensive medicine. I already spray cheap medicine because I don't have money to buy the expensive medicine, the pesticides. But others are blooming naman Kani ni kulot mo ni sa una. Naulian sad sama ni o ni aksyon na sa kulot Pero ang uban niyang silingan okay man sama niyang silingan It is okay. Others some are correlate. Okay, bye-bye.